Last Saturday night in Auckland, more than 600 Niueans and their friends packed a conference room in Mount Smart Stadium to witness Niue's local girl take the crown of Miss Niue Aotearoa. The anticipation of who would take the crown had many on the island anxiously waiting by the radio till late evening to cheer and support the program, which was broadcast live on Radio Sunshine on Friday night. According to Patrick Lino, Thomas Kawe and Jane Liufalani, the event was fantastic. A little hiccup in the beginning, with the program running a couple of hours late, but when it finally started, it was worth the wait. Final results: Maria Mitimeti crowned Miss Niue Aotearoa, Emba Patutaue was first runner-up, Florence Sawelima second runner-up, and third runner-up Zina Sisepi Ali. Miss Niue Aotearoa Maria Mitimeti will travel to Niue in August to compete in the Miss Niue Beauty Pageant. Congratulations to Maria too, who was raced on the island.